Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the construction of the Southern Coastal Highway. Now this section that we're driving on is finished. It's from Bull Bay to Yalos. As you can see, this is a four-lane highway, what you could call a super highway in Jamaica. Very nice road built by China Harbour Engineering Company. Now this road goes from Kingston to Harborview to Yalos, and then from Yalos to St. Thomas, and then through to Portland. Now from Harborview to Yalos, it's 4 lanes that looks like this. First world quality highway. From Yalos to Portland is 2 lanes. The existing road was just upgraded and, well, we say upgraded, paved, and that's the road from Yalos to St. Thomas to Portland. Now this road is what you call a game changer for St. Thomas. Game changer. If you guys remember the road that you had to drive on to go to St. Thomas, an old winding road full of potholes, awful drive. And as a result, people didn't drive on it. So St. Thomas became the forgotten parish because you never had a KFC over there. You never had a high-low. I don't even think you had a juicy beef patties over there because to get there was just not worth the drive. But now we have this super highway. So needless to say, St. Thomas is bursting with activity. It's so ironic that companies that weren't interested in St. Thomas now are all rushing to get a presence in St. Thomas. All because of this road. So this section is finished. They have other sections that aren't finished yet but should finish in 2025. What happened is local contractors were used on some sections of the road, and that slowed down the process, and some of the sections that were done have had to be done over. So China Harbour Engineering Company is now in charge of the entire project, and they are getting the job done. So by 2025, the entire road should be finished. And something to note, this is not a toll road. This is not a toll road. With the exception of Mandela Highway, you don't find roads of this quality in Jamaica that are not toll roads or connected to a toll road. You have the Melrose Hill bypass, but that is connected to Highway 2000. So this have to say job well done by China Harbour Engineering Company and the government of Jamaica. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and let us know what you think of this highway. This section from Harborview to Yalos, the section has 4 lanes. Alright guys, have a good day.